Here's how to get a job in high-ticket sales from someone who has driven more than 20 million in high-ticket sales online and has made 90,000 in commissions in a single month. And to be clear, I'm not gonna tell you to DM 1,000 creators because God knows you have enough of these methods already. Instead, I'm gonna give you the untapped methods to get a high-ticket job. That way, you can actually stand out amongst the thousands of people who compete against you right now. And more importantly, once you get the role, I'll show you how to keep the role and how to produce and make real money, because that's something that's not talked about online. Because 70% of the people who get hired will get fired within the same week. And stick around until the end because I'll show you how to shortcut that time by half. In the meantime, if you want to master the actual sales craft, get feedback on your sales calls, get actual help from me, I have a free community on School. You're gonna find it in the description below. With that said, let's get into it. Step one is finding the right people to sell for. Now, there are two ways you can do this. Number one, and that's the easiest one, you're gonna create a brand new Instagram account because we're gonna curate your feed for greatness. Now you're going to go and look up creators that are in the space that you wanna sell for. You're gonna follow them, you're gonna watch their reels, and you're going to click I'm interested in this when Instagram prompts you until your entire feed is full of Instagram reels full of creators you wanna sell for. The second and far more professional way is to go into the Meta Ads library. Just go and search Meta Ads library on Google and you'll have a window of every ad that's running right now on Facebook and Instagram. Here's why this is a game changer. Anybody advertising on Meta is actively spending money to acquire customers. They have a budget, they have a funnel they're driving traffic to, and they're always in need of new closers to turn that traffic into profit. This immediately filters out the fake gurus who don't have any money to spend on ads, and you'll get to the real people. Now, you want to avoid traps where the business is only doing like 30 or 50,000 a month, because the reality is they can't really afford a closer, and you're gonna be struggling to make 2,000 a month in commission. So in the Meta Ads library, when you look up keywords like real estate coaching, drop shipping, SMMA, high-ticket coaching, you're gonna find a bunch of creators who are actively running ads looking to hire closers. In these offers, the top closers, they're not making pennies. They can be pulling in 10, 20, even 30,000 a month or more. That takes us to step three, the email framework. I'm gonna show you the exact formula that got me into the industry. Step one is the company and the founder. First, start by researching them. What's their mission? What are they trying to change? And if it's a money-making purely company, look at the founder's personality and what they're doing. Do they have a family? Do they have hobbies? Make them feel like a real person when you're reaching out to them. Don't just say, I'm hardworking, back it up with an actual story. If I tell you, when I was 16 years old, I dropped out of high school, I got into sales 18 years old, and since then, I've made 20 million in sales, that builds trust. You have to tell a story that supports the traits you claim to have. And step four is connecting the two. How do your skills help them achieve their mission? And as a bonus, you're gonna attach a Loom video. So if you send a video, you verbalize the email, and you also attach a recording of your best sales call, that helps them make a much easier decision. Now, chapter two, how do you stay in the offer? Step one is actual work ethic. Initially, you have to get good as fast as possible so you're not wasting leads. You have to put in at least 10 hours every single day. And when I say work, I don't mean sitting at a computer and just waiting for calls to show up in your calendar. You have to dig into that CRM, jump into the power dialer, and start booking your own calls. That's how you show initiative. Number two is training. Pick one script and master it without ego. Track your data, your show-up rate, your closing rate, your cash collected at the end of every single week. Identify the worst number and make a small tweak in your script, only one tweak every week. Because if you change too many things, you won't know what's working or not. This will create compounding growth week after week. If you improve just 10% for 12 months, that's not just 120% in growth. That's more than 300% because it compounds. Number three, how do you stand out? Show them that you actually give a damn. Work the weekends, hype up your teammates. Take the extra step, go the extra mile. If there's an issue, if you see something broken, if you see a mistake in the ads or a typo in the funnel, let the owner know. Say, how can I help? If you start documenting your process, even training the other sales reps, you will be an asset that they're not gonna wanna let go of. Last but not least, sales has changed my life, and I want to help change yours. I'm on a mission to make sales education accessible, and that's exactly why I have my 100% free school community. I share all the scripts, all the techniques, all the human psychology hacks you need to know to crush it when you have that first offer. So make sure you join us using the link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.